Having a crazy day. I'm headed. Had some trouble with Benny. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I had like a complete wheel bearing failure or, I mean, it's crazy. I was driving, started feeling funny. Next thing you know, sparks is flying. I pull over. I'm on leave. When I get to the spot, I've already made it to town. Brian picked me up. Brian Richardson picked me up and came to the rescue. You know, with his cape on, flying high. And now I'm headed back with the F-350 with the trailer to pick Benny up. And I'll see y'all when I get there so y'all can see this craziness. That. Yo, no signs of acting funny.
How does that happen?
Look at there. I think it's broke. What you think? Oh, I need a rotor like a motherfucker.
I got you. I just got some brand new ones.
You got rotors? Did you really get rotors? No, you didn't. Fucking
I got a plug. Yes, I do. I got a plug, man, in the back of my truck, man. The box.
That is not a rotor.
It was a good suggestion.
Damn, I need a rotor.
It was a good suggestion, man.
Well, we about to get this motherfucker loaded on. 2-2.
The question is... Oh, wee, boy.
That shit look like them Hondas. Let me pick it up here.
Am I good on that?
Yeah. Hey, you good right here?
Turn it a little bit. Just a little bit.
Hey, that bitch straightened up once I got up in there. Be careful. That bitch straightened up once I got in there.
Yeah, just a little bit there. Good though.
You got room on this side, too. Go ahead, you good? That's the ramp. Go ahead, you good?
What the fuck was that?
The ramp. It's a pretty decent truck. I mean, you know how it go down. Damn, boy, that shit leaning in.
Come on, a little bit more.
That nigga like the perfect director. All right, to the front. Hey, to the front. Hey, man, what's your name, man? Choo choo.
Goddamn.
What you think, man?
I feel stupid, man. I shouldn't even left location.
Hey, also let them boys know we do low riders too, as y'all can see. I mean,
Finally made it to the crib. Lewis came and met me, picked me up, brought me to the house. So the culprit, wheel bearing, complete failure. Now I need a rotor. I need a new caliber. I need a new caliber mount. I need a new the CV boot rip on the inside. So I'm just gonna get a whole new CV boot since I gotta take the whole thing out just to put the boot on. I know, a little bit of money spent, but I don't know. It's just
Gotta get it done. That shit roll it.
yeah, might as well do it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Hey, you know, times when life like this, just only thing you can do is keep moving forward. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you already ain't hit it yet. Make sure you like this video.